Where is the description of a YouTube video on a PC or laptop, and where is the description using an Android phone? So let's start with the PC. I'm going to click on one of my videos and start it, and the description is below the video, is this portion. And in this case it contains just one link, so if I click on more, it contains this link, only that one is in the description, and it is clickable. If I click on it, it brings me to that playlist. Now that was a horizontal video. If we close this and go to, let's say, shorts, here's a vertical video. It has that same link here, but if I start it, the description is not here in this portion, but you have to go over the video and there is the three dots. So those three dots, you have to click on them and there is the description. So that's the description. It has 4 horizontal lines, and if you click on it, there's the same link for that playlist, but it's not clickable. It's not blue, just like those. So you cannot do anything with this. You have to select it, you have to copy it, open, let's say, a new tab and paste it there, and then press enter. Okay, now let's analyze this one. So I'm going to use the YouTube app. YouTube, this is an Android phone. I will go to my own channel here in the lower right corner, and let's get the same video. So at your videos, the first one, which is horizontal, tap on it, and the description is also below the video. You have to tap on that more, and after tapping on more, this is the description area, and it has that link in it which is clickable. Here's the playlist which just opened. Okay, close the video. Now back to my videos, your video, and now I'm going to get a short. Okay, and if I tap on a short video, now we have these things on the right side and those below, but the description is also in the upper right corner, and the same thing just on the PC. Here is the description. It has those 4 horizontal lines. Tap on the description. There is the same link, but just as on the PC, this link is not clickable. Here you have to long tap it or double tap it, and then you can copy it and paste it into a browser. So that's how to access the description of YouTube videos using a desktop and a mobile device.